Hey y'all, welcome back to Sarah's Kitchen. In part 1 of the series, we made the crust. So, this is the crust. The next step is to make the filling. First, we must put in the cream cheese. Like so. Then, we put in the peanut butter. There we go. Now we add, thank you. Now we add some salt. Now,
it may be a little loud. We're going to cream it together.
which is this button?
No, this button.
There we go. And now we are mixing the filling for the crust.
Should we have more speed?
I think so. We want to make sure it's smooth and simple.
Let's see. All right.
Now that we mixed
you'll want to take your scraper and scrape the
the
sides.
cream cheese and peanut butter and salt, we take the mixer and we scrape the sides of the bowl.
Good job covering. All right. You can scrape the scraper off on the mixer if you want to. And then push it back down in there. Here. Let me see. Step away if you need to cough. Okay. Let's turn it back on.
Now, mix it again. Now that we mixed the filling, it's time to put in the flour.
Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar, I mean.
This is a new to us mixer that we bought at the thrift store and I deep cleaned. So if we make a poof of powdered sugar,
There you go.
it's fine. All right, are you ready? Let's see if we make a poof. No, it did fine. Let's turn it up a little. There it goes. Okay, I think you're going to need to scrape the sides.
Oh, right. We take a trusty spatula here and we simply scrape the sides. And also, might want to scrape some of the mixture out of.
That's okay right there, baby. Here, get you a little sip, because your throat's itchy.
There we go. Got it.
Okay, let me say spatula. You get a little
I'll
sip.
take this.
You did a great job. Okay, are we ready to turn back on?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Alright.
Now, while I get this loose for you, how about you can talk to him for a few minutes?
Now to scrape the essence off.
There you go.
Now that we mix our filling, it's time to pour it onto.
Well, you still have to
it's
fold
time
in
to
your
put in the Cool Whip.
Hold on. I'm going to hand it back, and you can do that part. I'm just getting everything loose. Move this out of your way. Do you want to show them what it looks like down after you cream everything together?
Oh yeah.
Show them what it should look like at this point.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And this is the filling all mixed in. See? Now, you simply put it.
You can sit it on the counter, baby. You don't need the mixer anymore.
I know that. We put it right here. Then we take the ready whipped Cool Whip.
Her lovely assistant's over here licking a batter off the mixer. The beaters, yeah. Licking the batter off the beater. Say that 3 times fast.
Take my spatula. And make sure you put in all of it.
You did a great job, Sarah. That's delicious. And then be sure to tell them they need to fold gently when they're stirring the Cool Whip and the peanut butter mixture together. So that
Now
it
that
stays
we put in the Cool
fluffy.
Whip,
We're at home, we can lick our fingers if we want to.
you simply fold in. But make sure you do it slowly. As you can see, I am folding in the Cool Whip.
Alright, when you're done, hand it here and I'll hold it for you while you get your crust ready.
There we go.
Let me see.
Monday.
Thought you said there we go. I'm sorry. Sarah, scoot over in front of the camera so they can see you.
There's this mixer in front of me.
There you go.
Now that I fold it in slowly,
Okay, let me see.
I hand it over to my lovely assistant.
Thank you very much. Here, come here just a second. The bowl got you just a little bit. There we go. Now, you need to get your pie crust.
Now I get the pie crust from our previous pop series, part 1 of making crust.
Make sure to tell them they should go back and watch part 1.
And make sure you watch this series part 1 right now if you could, or later.
Maybe when this video's over.
When this video is over.
You did an awesome job, Sarah. This looks so good.
Thank you.
Are you ready for it?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And I laid you out a little spatula and a spoon so that you can decide how to make the top look pretty once it's all in.
Now that my assistant has finished mixing it, it is time to put in the crust.
Do you want me to hold the bowl?
Please do. Thank you.
You're welcome. Normally this would be done in a pie shell, but we decided to go a little different and make it more like peanut butter bars. So it'll be like peanut butter cheesecake bars.
It'll be easier to hold it.
Might get sticky fingers. Alright, let's see. Let me scrape all the leftover goodies out.
There we go.
One more. Then you want to spread it to
There we
all
go.
the edges.
I'll take this.
Gently, gently.
Now that we put the filling in, we gently spread it.
Make sure you push it into all the corners. Oh, hold on. It's pulling up the crust just a little bit over there. Stubborn crust. That crust wants to jump in and be part of the party. Okay, go ahead. That got the crust down. When you get it smoothed out, you can use one of those to make a pretty design on top.
Now, that we simply smooth the filling.
Let me see just a second. Do you know which one you're going to use to make it look pretty?
Not the spoon, that's for sure.
Spoons make beautiful designs.
Using this one.
Okay, that also makes a beautiful design.
Now that we've smoothed the filling, it's time to be creative with it.
Exactly.
The way we are doing it is simply do a little wave.
I'm yet again licking the spatula, and it is delicious. When you have it like you want it to look, you can show it to them.
Oh, wait.
Thank you.
Now that we've been creative, here's the look of the peanut butter pie ball.
Now we just need to refrigerate
Now
that.
we need to put this in the refrigerator so it'll stay cool for Thanksgiving tomorrow at my sister's house. So I'm going to give it to my lovely assistant.
You will need to refrigerate this for probably 4 to 6 hours at least so that it can firm up. We usually do it the day before, but it's not necessary to do it that far ahead. All right, you want to tell them bye?
And that's all we have today, folks. And also, if you're watching, please give a comment below and hit the bell button. And all you know. And don't forget to watch part 1 of the series on Sarah's Kitchen. And always, thank you for watching my cooking show. Bye, y'all.